Jacory Croskey-Merritt is an American professional football running back for the Washington Commanders of the National Football League. He played college football for the Alabama State Hornets, New Mexico Lobos, and Arizona Wildcats. Croskey-Merritt was born in Montgomery, Alabama on April 12, 2001, later attending Sidney Lanier High School. He was rated as a zero-star recruit and committed to play college football for the Alabama State Hornets. Croskey-Merritt originally transferred to play for the Arizona Wildcats, however he would later flip to play for the Ole Miss Rebels before again joining Arizona. Due to eligibility issues stemming from a NCAA discrepancy regarding his jersey number 21 being used by another player after redshirting as a freshman at Alabama State in 2019. He appeared in just one game in 2024 where he rushed for 106 yards and a touchdown. Croskey-Merritt declared for the 2025 NFL Draft. Following the season, he played in the 2025 East-West Shrine Bowl, where he was named its offensive MVP after rushing for 97 yards and 2 touchdowns. Croskey-Merritt transferred to play for the New Mexico Lobos. In Week 13 of the 2023 season, he ran for 204 yards and 2 touchdowns in a win over Fresno State. In the 2023 regular season finale, Croskey-Merritt rushed for 233 yards versus Utah State. During the 2023 season, he ran 189 times for 1,190 yards and 17 touchdowns and hauled in 8 receptions for 72 yards and a touchdown, earning second-team All-Mountain West honors. After the season, Croskey-Merritt entered into the transfer portal again. In 2022, Croskey-Merritt rushed 120 times for 526 yards and 4 touchdowns.